Hello everyone, and welcome back to Gardening Glory. Mosquitoes can really ruin our time outdoors, but did you know there are beautiful, fragrant plants that naturally keep them away? Today, we'll explore 10 plants that help you enjoy a mosquito-free garden, naturally and with style. When it comes to natural mosquito repellents, one plant stands out above the rest: Citronella. This superstar of the garden has earned its reputation for keeping pesky mosquitoes at bay, and for good reason. Citronella oil is extracted from the leaves and stems of grasses like Cymbopogon nardus, which are well known for their strong, refreshing, lemony scent. This aroma is pleasant to us, but it's a natural deterrent for mosquitoes, making citronella a favorite ingredient in many commercial repellents, sprays, and candles. But here's a fun idea. Rather than relying on store-bought citronella candles or sprays, why not grow the grass yourself? Cultivating citronella at home is surprisingly easy, and it gives you a fresh, living source of mosquito protection right where you need it. Citronella thrives best in sunny locations with well-drained soil. Whether you have a spacious backyard or just a small balcony, you can find a spot for this hardy plant. It's low maintenance, and with a little care, it will reward you with lush, fragrant foliage all season long. You can plant citronella directly in your garden beds or keep it in pots and containers on your patio or balcony. Either way, you'll enjoy its fresh, citrusy aroma every time you step outside, and you'll notice a lot fewer mosquitoes buzzing around. Just imagine relaxing outdoors on a warm evening, surrounded by beautiful citronella plants and not a single mosquito in sight. With citronella in your garden, you can truly make the most of your outdoor spaces, enjoying fresh air and good company without the nuisance of bites. Next up is lavender, a plant cherished not only for its stunning purple blooms, but also for its soothing, calming fragrance that fills the air. Lavender has long been a favorite in gardens around the world, admired for its ability to transform any outdoor space into a peaceful retreat. But did you know that lavender's essential oils, especially the compound linalool, are also highly effective at keeping pesky mosquitoes at bay? The scent that we find so relaxing is actually a natural repellent for these unwelcome guests, making lavender a practical addition to your garden as well as a beautiful one. By planting lavender, you're not just adding a splash of color and elegance to your landscape. You're also creating a more comfortable, bite-free environment for evening gatherings, family barbecues, or quiet moments outdoors. Try lining your garden pathways or borders with lavender. Not only will this create a visually stunning edge, but it will also help form a fragrant barrier that deters mosquitoes from entering your favorite outdoor spaces. And while mosquitoes steer clear, pollinators like bees and butterflies are irresistibly drawn to lavender's nectar-rich flowers, ensuring your garden remains lively and full of beneficial insects. With lavender, you truly get the best of both worlds, a garden that's as beautiful as it is functional, supporting biodiversity while helping you enjoy peaceful, bite-free evenings outdoors. Now let's brighten things up with marigolds. Their vibrant blooms contain pyrethrum, a natural insect repellent found in many sprays. Marigolds are easy to grow and make great borders or companion plants in veggie gardens. Add color and create a natural mosquito barrier at the same time. Basil isn't just for the kitchen, it's a powerful mosquito repellent too. Its strong aroma is delicious to us, but mosquitoes can't stand it. Grow basil in pots, garden beds, or as a fragrant border. Enjoy fresh basil in your meals and a mosquito-free garden. Lemon Balm, with its citrusy scent, is another mosquito-fighting hero. The citronellol in its leaves confuses mosquitoes and keeps them away. It's easy to grow in sun or partial shade, in beds or containers. Crush the leaves for an instant burst of refreshing, mosquito-repelling aroma. Catnip isn't just for cats, it's a potent mosquito repellent. Nipetolactone, its active compound, is even more effective than DEET in some studies. Grow catnip in sunny spots and enjoy mosquito-free evenings. Your cat will thank you too. Rosemary is a beloved kitchen staple, cherished for its bold, piney aroma and the way it elevates everything from roasted vegetables to savory meats. But did you know this versatile herb offers more than just culinary magic? Rosemary also doubles as a powerful natural mosquito deterrent, making it a fantastic addition to both your kitchen and your garden. The secret lies in its essential oils, especially compounds like eucalyptol and camphor, which are released from the leaves. These aromatic oils create a scent that humans find pleasant, but mosquitoes find overwhelming and unpleasant, encouraging them to stay away. Rosemary is also incredibly easy to grow. It thrives in full sun and can tolerate poor, rocky soil, making it a low-maintenance choice for gardeners of all skill levels. Whether you plant it directly in garden beds or keep it in pots and containers on your patio, rosemary adapts well and continues to flourish, providing beauty and utility wherever it grows. In the kitchen, snip a few sprigs to add fresh flavor to your favorite dishes, from stews to breads. Its robust taste is a chef's delight. Outdoors, plant rosemary along garden paths or near outdoor seating areas. Not only does it provide a fragrant, evergreen border, but it also acts as a natural barrier, helping to keep pesky mosquitoes at bay during warm evenings. With fresh rosemary on hand, you'll enjoy delicious meals and a more comfortable, mosquito-free outdoor space. It's a win-win for any home gardener or cook. Peppermint's invigorating scent is great for us, but mosquitoes hate it. Grow it in containers to control its spread and enjoy its culinary uses. Crush the leaves and rub them on your skin for a quick, natural repellent. Peppermint tea, fresh flavor, and a mosquito-free garden, simple and effective. Eucalyptus, with its strong camphor-like aroma, is a powerful mosquito repellent. If a full tree is too much, try smaller varieties like lemon eucalyptus in pots. You can also use eucalyptus oil in diffusers or homemade sprays. Enjoy its fresh scent and keep mosquitoes at bay. Geraniums, especially scented varieties, are both beautiful and effective at repelling mosquitoes. Plant them in sunny spots, beds, or containers for vibrant color and natural protection. Enjoy their blooms and their mosquito-fighting power all season long. There you have it. 10 plants to help you reclaim your garden from mosquitoes naturally. Try adding a few to your space and enjoy a more beautiful, bite-free outdoor experience. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips from Gardening Glory.